Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about data profiling tools. So column quality, column distribution and column profile features are which we are going to discuss. The data profiling tools provides you a visual way to understanding more about your data. Then you can clean, transform and understand data in Power BI code editor. So actually this is very good to go in deep about your data, so then you can understand how those your data distributed throughout your table. Let's select transform data icon in queries pane, so it will redirect to the Power BI core editor. Since then we can see our sample dataset, so it will show the dataset or dump, but it actually exists most of first 1000 records. So this is our data set. Then you can see the columns. Let's select column quality feature. Then it will show uh, percentages for valid values, error values and empty values for each column. Then you can identify the valid number of values or empty number of values existing in each column. Then after you hover on each column of that feature, it means on that valid pane, it will pop up window. Then you can select Eclipse icon, so it will show remove duplicates, remove empty values, remove errors or replace errors, likewise of transformation. So you can do these kind of things uh, before going to the modeling. So it is very useful to remove these, do these pre-processing for future visualizations. Now we move to the column distribution feature. So you can see it will show bar chart, then it includes distinct values and unique values. So uh, you know what are the distinct values first. The unique values are, so unique values do not repeat it. It means it only exists one time in each column. So on it, it will not show or exist in each column more than one time. This is the meaning of unique values for each column. So you can have basic understand what are the unique values, how many unique values exist in on each column, likewise. So these are the details you can see when you use column distribution feature in Power Query Editor. Let's move to the column profile feature. So make sure you have to select one column, then it will show necessary details for each column. So it also include empty distinct unique values, and also it include minimum and maximum values also. So uh, it will show the bar chart including each and every distinct values, and the bars shown as how many times it occurs throughout the column or throughout the data set. That's why then you can understand what is the minimum number of times each value exists. Likewise details you can understand. Let's take example. So just assume I am clicking country column. In that country column it will shows this bar chart as well for each and every country. So let's assume there is a one bar for United States, and there is another bar for USA. So then you can clearly identify there is a column quality issue because these two values represent one country. Okay, so then what should have to do, then you have to replace these two values into one value. It means because
these two countries, these two names represent one country. Since then, you can identify these kind of issues after viewing these bar charts and also these column profile attribute. Since then, it is very good to use these viewing these kind of statistics before going to data modeling. Okay, so actually these are the things which I need to discuss about from this video. Thank you.